In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Disney Plus on Smart TV. In order to do that, you just need to first head over to your Smart TV and then check if your Smart TV is actually an Android TV or other versions such as LG WebOS or Amazon or the likes. So check which one. If you indeed have an Android TV, you can head over to your Google Play Store, but if not, you should be able to find an App Store directly from there. Now, onto the App Store, click onto the search bar and proceed to search right here for Disney Plus. So search. You should be able to find Disney Plus right here. Just head over and click on the application itself and make sure to click on the install option that will appear. So once you have clicked on it, it should be able to be installed on your device. So you just need to wait for a few seconds once it's done downloading, and you can proceed to register or sign in into your account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.